and I'll be your host for this morning's interview. We're here with trading expert Olu Bimi. Olu, how are you? How are things?
Great. Thank you very much. Good to be here with you today.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to be here as well. Looking forward to touching base and seeing how far the markets have progressed as compared to last week when we met here as well. In that case, where do we find ourselves? What is the current market environment looking like?
The environment of the market is quite a volatile one this week, because over the weekend we saw the geopolitical tension in the Middle East involving Israel, Iran, and the US. And this has really affected commodities, currencies, and even stock. We've seen the prices, for instance, the price of oil moving very strong to the upside. We see gold remaining overall strong. Although for gold, yesterday I saw that the candle ended up closing as a bearish candle, which is more like a correction because majority of traders and investors are now moving to safe havens like the gold or the US dollar, in fact. And we have the Strait of Hormuz, where most of the, like 20% of the world's oil supply passed through. I read this morning that it has been closed. As of yesterday, there was reduced tanker movements for the supply of oil. So this is affecting oil supply. And I think the price of oil has moved so much within this period alone this week. We've seen like 10% increase in the price of oil. It's now around 76. And if the tension for any reason continue to escalate, I think we may see the price continue to surge higher to maybe like $100. Some traders prefer volatile market. That is where some traders are able to thrive. But while at this, we also want to be careful to ensure proper risk management. Yes, there is a lot of opportunity in the market. The prices are moving really fast at this time. But how are we trading? It's a good time for us to revisit our trading rules. I also want to ensure that my position sizing, this isn't the time for me to say, because the prices are moving really fast, let me increase my position size. Understanding how they are affecting the prices of or the value of currencies that we trade, I think it's a priority so that when you're trading with understanding and clarity. You know exactly what you're doing. You're not just rushing because the market is moving. The market is rushing. You don't rush with it.
I think that's a fair point, and to your point right in the end there, I think that this is a good time to actually learn because yes, bearing geopolitics, you will understand that the market moves in quite volatile ways.